you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have a new subscription box to show you. I have my co-star back with me, yay. Today we're going to be showing you THiNK OUTSiDE boxes. Do you want to know what's in our boxes? Stay tuned. I do want to say thank you so much for THiNK OUTSiDE boxes for sending this to me for review. So thank you so much. I greatly do appreciate it. Okay, you guys, so we're going to tell you about the company, and then we're going to, well, she's going to unbox them, and then we're going to see what's inside and what we're going to do, right? You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company, and then I'll let her unbox them for you guys. So what's inside the box? THiNK OUTSiDE is a monthly subscription box full of outdoor gear and resources that will get your kids away from the screens and outside exploring nature. So this box is $39.95 per box. It can go as low as $33.95 if you prepay for an entire year. You'll get 3 to 5 pieces of quality outdoor gear, water-resistant resource cards, 24+ page educational booklets, challenges to do as a family, education and skill building. Boxes ship monthly. You could cancel at any time. Free shipping to the United States, and they do have international shipping available as well. So it's a monthly subscription box for children ages 7 and higher. Each subscription starts with an initiation box, followed by 12 monthly themed boxes. Each month, your child will get 3 to 5 outdoor gear items and an activity booklet with guided resources to help them master outdoor skills. So the first thing you will get is the introduction box, which would be this one. This one does include a backpack. When you do order, you get to choose a color. So I'm not quite sure what color they sent her. That's going to be a surprise. So for the colors of the backpacks, you can choose magenta, orange, or blue. They do have a multiple sibling discount. So if you wanted to get a box for 2 or more siblings, you can get them at the same time, and when you do that, you can choose their backpack color, and then it will take $2 off each box, but they have to be ordered at the same time to get that multiple sibling discount. Okay, so she's gonna go ahead and unbox it. We're gonna see what's in the intro box. Intro box. Ooh, you got the magenta backpack, I think. So what's that? So there's a little pamphlet in there that basically welcomes you to the company and gives you some information. This is about the first box, the intro. Yep. So it goes over a lot of useful information on here. Now, what do you have in there?
Oh, it's in the back. Oh, okay. I feel like there's something in here. I feel something in here.
No. I think your backpack is in there.
Oh, there's something else in here.
Let me see. So what is inside is in this right here, and it's in a bag.
Looks like a dog carrier.
There's a zipper back there, and this is the actual backpack. Look.
This is a hiking backpack.
I know. It's for outdoors.
Yeah, now I can go camping.
Yeah, now you can go camping. So do you zip this back up, or you leave it open when you use it? Wait, let's see.
Zipper back up.
Yep, and it becomes a pocket.
I'm sitting that one.
Well, yeah, this is yours. They sent this
is?
for you. Yeah. So this is the backpack. It is really big. It has a top pocket up here, and then the actual bag that was holding it in flips around and makes this pocket. So then there's a pocket, and then there's the back with
take up all the space.
Yeah, with adjustable straps, and it can fold back into its convenient little bag. So here's a really good size backpack, and she got the magenta. What else is in your box?
A tiny rope.
I think you put that on this thing. This looks like,
But that comes with,
that comes with its own thing.
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh, this is like a name tag, so you can put on your backpack. So it's like a bag tag.
Somebody falls off the cliff. There we go.
That's probably tells you what that's supposed to be for.
Oh,
So this is in there. THiNK OUTSiDE. You can put your information.
There we go. You push this little back thing.
So there's this little holder, so you can put this on your bag so you have your information. And then it does come with a carabiner that you can use as well. There is some rope because you never know when you might need some. There is
I can't open
a pencil. Let's see, what's that?
I can't open it. It's a ring.
And then yeah, one of those little rings, you pull it that way, and then you pull it.
Maybe you can use it for the rope and then tie it onto your belt.
let's see what it says in here.
So,
There's
the rope.
this.
I just said, where did it go?
Oh, so you have that big booklet in there. So yeah, there you go.
That's what the rope is for.
Oh, so it's skill testing. It teaches you how to, to tie a knot properly. Go see, look, that's the ring. That's a DIY. What does it say? Paracord keychain.
You can make.
So it teaches you how to make a keychain.
And so it teaches you how to do it right here.
So that's what the rope is for. See? It pays to look inside things and read.
Well, I'm gonna try to make this. You're making it, because if I try to make it, it's gonna turn into a big knot.
No, you're gonna make it. Let me tell you. Look, it tells you step by step. You're gonna make it. You'll be fine. And look, that's how you put it on this too. And then, so she's gonna make a keychain. And let me see the rest of the book. This is a big one. Yeah, so here's a book full of all kinds of information, and there's even games and there's all kinds of stuff in here. So let's go ahead and open up the second box. This would be the intro. You get your backpack, you get all of this stuff first, and then you'll go through the monthly box, which will be that one. What does it say on the top? That might be the theme. Navigate by the stars.
So
ooh, this might be something we're going to be able to do at nighttime.
What is this?
It says mini solar cranking flashlight.
Okay.
So that does not take any battery. So if you're ever out and you need a flashlight, you wind it and you have light. So that's definitely good to put in your backpack. Open it up so we can show them.
So you go like this. But we're not outside. So
you can still do it to get it charged to turn. Yep, see, look, it's on.
This is to keep it running. And then you keep, I don't know, you just turn it.
Oh, so there is a little solar panel. So if you set this outside, it would charge by solar as well. And then when it doesn't have solar, you can crank it to get power.
See, look at it. Then when you want to put it back, you put it back in the hole. So we have, it looks plastic, but it's like, it is plastic. See? So we have a plastic one, and then we have these cards. Okay, so these are a whole bunch of clip-on cards. So these are constellations. So it's like constellations. It's all constellations. Pegasus. First constellation. This is a dragon. I don't know if
they're on both sides, actually. Look.
Hey, Sammy. Hercules. Ooh, Hercules.
And if you guys wanted to see this up close, it has a solar panel part. There is a little latch here to hang it, and then the little cranking device, and then the on and off.
And so, but we have.
Look, here's the moon phase. It tells you about the moons.
And then the moon phase for first grade. The moon phase. So this just tells you about stuff like the Big Dipper, Little Dipper, North Star.
So maybe at nighttime, when it's a clear night, you can see the different ones and know what they are.
Oh, I know what this is already. So it comes with a little charger. I'm about to find out what it is. This is a cave. You can use this in a cave too. Where's the on and off button? What is this? Oh. Ooh!
It is a USB rechargeable headlamp. So you recharge it.
You can have, wait, I don't want to blind you guys. No, turn off.
So you have the bright flashing one, like,
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm blinded. Okay, so you have the red ones, the flash, and then the white one, then the straight, just white, and the dim, and then the flashing one. And then
you got a little
one in the black.
strobe light dance party. And then this, though.
Turn off, sir. How do you turn this off?
There you go.
You have to press the. I can't see his.
So this is designed to go in your head.
I know. There's just a big blur in my face. I can't see. It blinded me. That's how bad it is. If you go in a cave, like when you're camping and you see a cave, you can use that. Or when it's nighttime and your solar thingy died.
Or if you're walking through. So, yep, and you stick that right on your forehead.
And if you lost your solar thingy and you need to find it with this.
And you recharge it with this. Did I make it a little too tight? Yeah.
Yes. It's a stretch thingy.
Yeah. There you go. Get on your head. You can adjust it. I'll make it bigger. What else in that other good thing?
Okay, one. Oh, that's a bag. I like these bags. And you you push this little button to open it.
And it has this little adjustable.
Okay, so basically you just push this little button to spread it open and then pull it. So let's get this. Looks like something big. Oh, what is this? That looks like a bag. It is a bag. Is it? Oh, it's a tent.
Is it a 10?
I think it's a tent.
Let's see. I don't know. Schedule a night outside with a trusted adult. How many consolations can you find?
What is this?
I don't know. I'm just
Look, it has these little hoops on each end. What is this? That's,
Let me see. What?
I don't know
Maybe
what
it'll
this is.
say in here.
This is a blanket. And then you tie it to the ground.
Let's see. About your flashlight. How do what?
Let's just say
I don't know what
it
that
goes like
is. Hold on.
this. It's a tart.
It's not
There we go.
going on hike.
Wait. What if you tie it to the ground from the back and then you have a little hoop in the front? And that's how you watch the stars.
What is going on here? Things to look for. Observe. What in the world?
It's like a
Okay.
tent.
Narcotic animals.
It's on the dark side.
Random stuff. Where does it have like?
Star wheel.
Oh, here we go.
Star
It-
wheel.
That is a compact outdoor
Blanket.
blanket. Compact, lightweight blanket to take with you on the outdoor adventures. Use it at night for stargazing or during the day for a picnic or looking at nature. So you put that in your backpack too.
Child. You think?
You got resource cards. There's a glow carabiner. Okay, so this glows in the dark. That carabiner glows in the dark. And then there is the multiple setting headlamp. And then the emergency flashlight. And it says, check your box for 2 sheets of paper to make your own star wheel. Read the instructions in the booklet to get started. So this goes over a whole lot of useful information. Again, it talks about what to do, what to look for, how to check things. And then there is little activities and everything on the back as well. And then the 2 papers was this, for you to have a star wheel. And then there's all of the different constellations all on that wheel as well. So that's everything that came in this monthly theme. And we're going to see what we can do with this and finalize it when we're done checking it out, yeah? All right, so we'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm back to finalize the review for the THiNK OUTSiDE boxes. We kind of ran out of time, so we didn't have enough time to actually film with her to review that. But she definitely did love it, and it was so cute because even later that night, she even had a FaceTime with her mom and her sister, and she was so excited to tell them about her backpack and her flashlight and her headlamp and all of this stuff in there. And she was like showing them everything. She was holding the backpack, sporting it around, running around outside with it, holding the blanket like a cape, like literally running all over the backyard with her headlamp on. And she tried to look at the stars for the different constellations to try to find any of them. But unfortunately, we had a really bad, like, stormy kind of weather, and it was so cloudy. You couldn't even see like maybe one star in the sky. That was it. So unfortunately, she couldn't do any of the stargazing that night, but she definitely has all of those cards that seem like they are waterproof, definitely reusable. So she has those. So anytime she does see some stars, she can definitely bust those out, try to figure it out and try to see what she's looking at. So I think that's really neat. I like that there was the emergency flashlight kit in there. And I like the way that they sent the first kit first. So you have the backpack, you have the rope and things so you can make your own keychain. And it like starts this adventure with that first initiation box. And I like that the backpack is definitely like a full-on backpack. It even has the straps that go on around the front, and it folds up and you can just zip it up into that little tiny compartment if you're not wanting to use it or whatever at that time. So I think that's really, really neat. Now, this was August box, even though we are now in September, they sent me August box. And I figured that out because this does have August schedule. So each month that you get it, you'll have like the schedule that'll go over the different things. So we are now not in August anymore, but it does have all the things. It has like campfire day, be an angel day, ride the wind day, wiggle your toes day. There's World Mosquito Day. Oh, that day I should have stayed in. I should have just locked myself indoors that day. Mosquitoes love me. But You can keep your little notes. It talks about like the different moon phases, so you know what to look for. And then here's like a to-do list for the month. Climb a tree. But first, ask an adult to help and find one that is easy and safe climbing. Pick a wildflower bouquet to display it in your kitchen or living room. On Ride the Wind Day, fly a kite. Ooh, build your own if you don't have one. That's neat. Set up an obstacle course outside. Ask your parent to help you find a park with a creek, then go exploring in it. Find a nice size thick stick to serve as your hiking stick, then decorate it. Paint and hide kindness rocks around your neighborhood or in a park. That's neat. I actually like that. I like that concept. Make wind chimes out of sticks, shells, stones, or anything else you can find. That is really neat too. Like, I never would have thought of that. This is really neat. During an evening stroll, try to find one item of every color of the rainbow. Sketch, write it down, or take photos of the items you find. That is so neat. And then there was another paper, but she took that one with her. On the bottom of it, it had like Monday through Friday. Nope, it had January through December, and it had all of the different themes that they're doing. So August was the night, it was stargazing, and then September is a completely different theme. And on that paper, it had it, and I thought that's the one that I saved. But I guess I saved this one. It's okay. She's so excited with all of her stuff. She's loving everything. So again, I just wanted to kind of let you guys know how it was. And I think it's really neat that you get that first initiation box that gets you started. And then you get monthly themes. And they're keeping you outdoors and doing little things and things that you never would have thought of. Like, I never would have thought to collect shells or little things to make your own wind chime. And especially when you're a child, that's good things to do, especially for gifts or for your parents or for yourself, that kind of thing. And it just definitely gets them thinking and doing things with their hands other than controllers and TVs and phones and electronics. It gets them actually moving outdoors. And I really like that. Think outside boxes. Think outside. Get yourself outside. Even on this, it tells you like to schedule a night outside with a trusted adult. How many constellations can you find? Check the Weather Channel for a nice warm night with no clouds, which that wasn't that night we had. Then set your date. Before you head out, be sure to pack your blanket, water, snacks, and flashlight, and your resource cards. Lay flat on your blanket and stare at the sky. The longer you look, the more stars you will see. Remember, if it doesn't flicker, it is likely a planet. See how many of the constellations you can find that are included on your resource cards. And then you can even, it's like a little postcard even. So, dear so-and-so, on blank date at this time, at this place, I saw all of these constellations and stars, and you can write it down. I challenge you to find some too, and you can even send it to somebody, or you can just keep this. But I just think that's really neat, the way that everything comes about, and it's definitely geared for children. So again, if you do have multiple kids, you can get multiple discount, or you can at least add on extra backpacks on your first box so they get their own backpack, but then they can share the box every month. Whatever you would like to do, but everything will be linked down below. Thank you so much for sending me this to review and for my niece. She absolutely loves it. She is so thrilled to have it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down below, what did you think of this box? I think it's a great concept. She even laid her little blanket down on the bricks, and I'm like, you should put it on the grass. She goes, no, I want to put it on the bricks. So she did, and she laid down, and then she's like, it's too hard. Because you're laying on bricks, dear.
It's hard. But it is not.
No, it's not supposed to be comfortable, but it's supposed to keep you clean.
No, I'm saying it's not comfy, so it doesn't. Oh, my shoulders just combobulated.
So then she used it as a cape and ran around, but either way, she was having fun running around outside, being a kid, and that's all that matters. So there you have it, you guys. So again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.